Hi everybody, wanted to get on here and help share some of the tips that I've learned as a real estate investor over the last 10 years. So for people who are getting started, they kind of know some of the tips and tricks that can save a lot of time. So one of the things is it's been really cold over the last couple weeks. I call the water company every morning and I ask, are any of my meters running continuously? If they're running continuously, that means that you typically probably have a pipe that's burst or you have a water leak or a toilet running. So you can go and investigate and figure out what the problem is so your water bill isn't crazy expensive. So called this morning and I saw that this particular property had a continuous water running. So let's go inside and see what we can find. All right, now that we've located the leak, we are going to go to the main line. So coming into every single house is a water line that comes from the city. Right inside of that is a meter and then a shutoff valve. So you're gonna try to find that. Usually it's on the front of the house because the water lines run along the street. Sometimes they run along the back. So look at both locations to see, really just going to your water heater, finding the supply line and then tracing it back to one of the walls in the basement will help you find that. So once you get there, you're gonna come in here. As this one is the one right here, you can see it coming in from the wall. Here's the meter right here, and here's the shutoff valve. So we're gonna shut that off. Well, it's on right now. Now we're gonna shut it off. So to be shut off, you wanna make sure that it's perpendicular to the pipe.